Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fo. And today we're going to create a video about installing satellite for TV. The essential using tools watch in video. Installing a satellite dish for TV reception involves several steps, including choosing the right location, mounting the dish, aligning it with the satellite, and connecting it to your TV and receiver. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you with the installation. Materials needed. Satellite dish kit includes the dish, LNB, low noise block down converter, mounting brackets, and hardware. Satellite receiver, the box that connects to your TV. Coaxial cable to connect the dish to the receiver. Compass for aligning the dish. Satellite finder / meter, optional but helpful for precise alignment. Wrench and screwdriver for assembling and mounting the dish. Drill and anchors if mounting on a wall. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the location. Clear line of sight. Ensure the dish has a clear line of sight to the southern sky in the northern hemisphere, or the northern sky in the southern hemisphere. Stable mounting surface. Choose a sturdy and stable surface like a wall, roof, or pole that can support the dish. Avoid obstacles. Make sure there are no trees, buildings, or other obstacles in the path of the dish. 2. Assemble the dish. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to assemble the dish and attach the LNB. Attach the mounting brackets to the dish. 3. Mount the dish. Wall or roof mount. Use the drill and anchors to secure the mounting bracket to the chosen surface. Ensure the mount is level and securely fastened. Pole mount. Ensure the pole is securely planted and vertical. Attach the dish to the pole using the mounting bracket. 4. Connect the cables. LNB to receiver. Run a coaxial cable from the LNB on the dish to the satellite receiver. Connect the cable to the LNB and the satellite in port on the receiver. Receiver to TV. Use an HDMI or RCA cable to connect the receiver to your TV. 5. Align the dish. Set elevation and azimuth. Use the compass to find the direction, azimuth, indicated by your satellite provider. Adjust the dish's elevation angle as per the provider's recommendation. Fine-tune alignment. Use a satellite finder / meter to fine-tune the alignment. Adjust the dish slowly until you get the strongest signal. The satellite meter will help you with signal strength readings. If you don't have a satellite meter, use the signal strength indicator on the satellite receiver's setup menu. 6. Secure the dish. Once you have the dish aligned properly and you're receiving a strong signal, tighten all bolts and screws to secure the dish in place. 7. Configure the receiver. Initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions on the receiver to complete the setup. Select the correct satellite and transponder settings as provided by your satellite TV provider. Channel scan. Perform a channel scan to find and store all available channels. 8. Test the system. Check various channels to ensure they are coming in clearly. Make minor adjustments if necessary to improve signal quality. Tips for successful installation. Weather considerations. Install on a clear day to avoid issues caused by rain or wind. Assistance. Having a second person to help with alignment and signal strength readings can be very beneficial. Manufacturer's manual. Always refer to the manufacturer's manual for specific instructions related to your satellite dish model.